So I'm outside in the garlic bed now. This is not a very big garlic bed, trust me. There's only a pack of garlic that I bought in Fort McMurray last fall when I left to come home. But this fellow has already curled his scape and I already got cut off. So when they curl their scape, there's the scape. So come down after the scape's totally curled. Come down past the curled scape, and you don't even have to use a knife. It sort of breaks pretty easy too. So this is a garlic scape. You want them totally curled. And so I think I got 3 varieties of garlic here. So I'm not going to get them all cut one time because some of them is a different variety and it's not totally curled yet. So this one's not curled, so I'll leave it ready to go. So I'm ready to take it. This one's just starting to come. So yeah, so I got Russian Reds. I guess I have to go back to the video, but this is a pretty arty garlic here. It's a nice big garlic, just look. So what we're doing is waiting for these, after the scape is cut, we're waiting for the yellowing of the tree leaves. And I live in a place here where the wind comes down the valley there pretty rough. So why they're not grow tall is because the wind resistance, I guess. So it's but they do grow good. So those garlic was sat after the first frost last October, early into November. So I woke up and there was a frost. That's when I come and set these. So my plans is just to just harvest them, put them in the shed and let them dry. And instead of eating any of them this year, when the first frost comes, to plant everything back into the bed. So I should be able to have a full garlic bed next year instead of like a quarter of a garlic bed. So that's what I'm hoping for. Right? Hey Dee Dee. What you doing?
Getting out Bobby's beet.
Right?
Too close.
You don't want them too close. Huh?
Go.
So when we're doing our beets, just look. One little cluster of beets.
Yeah, I saw a lot of beets there.
1, 2, 3, 4 beets in this cluster.
Yeah.
And it's a nice cloudy day, so it's
Picking them apart.
a good day to take them apart and get them put in the void parts of your garden.
So we're taking everything, and where there's nothing, we're putting beets.
Where there's empty space,
Yeah.
the beets is going.
Yeah,
So-
and they're growing good too, Bobby.
And then don't think this hurts them, because every year
We do the same thing.
we do the same thing, and I always get beets. So
Biggest kind.
let's put this fellow back where he was.
Yeah. And if you just leave your beet bed and don't weed it, folks, you're gonna have to weed it.
Yeah, you got to weed it.
You got to weed out all them weeds. Get it out. Well, we got all this mesh and all this stuff up due to cats.
My cat.
Bobby got the cats.
My nuisance.
And 2 dogs.
Right.
Yeah.
Bobby blowed.
Bobby's an animal lover. So this is our day in our beautiful cold. Folks, if you ever seen Newfoundland, it is just amazingly beautiful. We just live in one of the most beautiful places in the world, or we say we do anyway, eh Bobby?
Oh yes, we do.
So this is the water right here, water's edge, and this is Bobby's garden right here. So Bobby, want to look up?
If you want to, if you've got your beets all planted and they're in a cluster, go out, and you don't have to tin beets, you don't have to cut them. You can take up
Pull
the
them
full
apart.
group, take them apart, and spread them somewhere else in your garden where beets not growing.
Now we always water good after, Bobby, though.
We do, yes, we give it a good drying.
Give it a good watering if you're tinning.
You know, I can't get over the year. Potatoes.
There's potatoes everywhere in his garden.
There's little potatoes.
Yeah. So it must be seed blowing off your potatoes over here. This is Bobby's potatoes there, growing, and this is the swimming pool. So and in the beds everywhere there's potatoes.
There is.
Yeah. Never seen it like it before.
I never honestly came with the cow manure.
Maybe. We don't know.
Unless they came from a field at where the cows was in the field after eating the little.
Because I mean, I don't know. I mean, did he throw seed? Though is the question.
Potatoes, yes.
Yeah.
That red titty, but that green titty ball.
That little flower.
It's a titty ball.
Maybe that's where it's coming from. Anyway, Bobby, look up and say good day to everybody.
It's really hot there today. We're going to try to get this done now and get it watered in good. And we'll have a look at this in a couple weeks' time, see how they're doing.
Being barbarized with the flies, are we?
Getting there. No trouble see places to plant them now, Danny.
No.
The weeds is getting gone.
Weeds gets out. You can see lots of places then.
Right. Now they're going to droop down.
Oh yes.
They're going to droop
That's
down
normal.
for a day because you moved them. But they stand back up.
Oh yes, they will. Oh, that's a pretty big. Back there.
Right there, them. So this is turnip and beet fertilizer, 12-24-16. So we're going to, and it got boron, B07. So this is going to put in this bed now. And then when this we get finished there, I'll cover the bed back up with the knitting. And we won't have to take it off no more till we harvest the fall.
Go.
So this is me beet fertilizer that I just told you about. It's very important to put this on in
24-16.
very important to put this on in July and August because it got boron.
Yeah.
And that's what your beet needs, this fertilizer to get going. Does not ever see a weed or do.
Oh, we have to dig through it.
Not like it was though, huh?
No. No. Them up there is really looking good. They're thick, but they're looking good though, Bobby.
Yeah, and they're not real close.
No. So we didn't bother to tin them out.
They're just getting fuller.
Some down here are still small. They don't grow a whole lot here.
No, that's where I've been moving them to. See, come. That's where the cats got in the bed.
Seems like they like steadying the bed up there better. I don't know, maybe it's more sunshine with shade from the tree there. See the tree? Maybe it's shade there or something.
Like the less tree root up there, mother.
Oh, it could be a tree root there.
Oh, I've never seen this fella.
No, potato.
Potatoes everywhere. The year.
Yeah, I know. Wicked, isn't it?
I don't understand it.
No. I mean, you never have nothing in this bed, only beets.
It's all, unless it comes into the, unless they come.
Yeah, he bought cow's manure.
Yeah.
So we're wondering if it come into the cow's manure. We're not sure. But yeah, it's really weird. Where'd it come from? Up there, that one there, little Bobby. You missed that feller.
Yeah.
Giddy. And then right here, this one that's fell down. That one was just replanted. Now we got to go work now and whack the water on this.
And after a fertilizer like this, you're really strong. It even burns your fingers. So imagine what it's going to do to that leaf
Yeah.
So you don't want to get it on the leaves. You want to try to apply it to the bottom. As soon as you get it on, you want to wash it. Get it all rinsed off as fast as you can. Now don't very often water with the garden hose.
No.
But after using fertilizer,
We do.
I want to get the fertilizer washed off the leaves. I want it to stay on them. Good drenching now.
Now, Bobby, your beets grows amazing here.
Yeah, for some reason beets always grows here.
How many years is this the same bed?
Hey, I've had beets grow here for a long time now.
I figure it's 4 or 5 years now, isn't it?
Yes, for sure.
Yeah, every year we're just doing the same bed and always beets.
Yeah, I just amends the soil with cow manure and compost.
Yeah.
And gives her that fertilizer.
Well, you see them growing now.
So it wants to secure it back over again.
Put the netting back on.
Because one of my pussycats likes using it for a litter box.
Yep. That's Miss Chloe.
It is, yeah.
Yeah, she might be able to get into her hair. We might have to put a couple screws there, Bobby.
Right?
Down there.
That's where she got in last time.
Yeah.
Right.
She's able to get in there for sure. That's animals.
Right?
Bobby got all the screws prepared.
Right?
There she is. She's there now for another while. But I'm putting on a couple little twist ties there, whatever.
Shouldn't have to take she back now.
No, she should be done now till September, October.
Well, I might come out and throw some grass, some seaweed,
Yeah, around it.
the seaweed grass, put on it for a mulch.
Yeah.
I'll probably do that after they get their strength stands back up. Anyway, from Bob and Newfoundland Gardener, this is what we're at in our beet bed today. And thanks for following us on Facebook. And if you're really interested in our channel, you can jump on the Newfoundland Gardener on YouTube. There's, I think, 40 something videos there now, don't we?
Yeah.
I think so, something like that. Anyway, from Bob and Newfoundland Gardener, let's keep growing on the rock. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.